I think, for instance, in my situation, in my early days in my business, like I was a cold calling machine. I was calling expireds and cancels. So I really wanted to get good at that. So I hired a coach, I hired a mentor to help me with that. When I started building a team, even before that, when I started generating buyer leads, I needed a system of how to convert those leads at a much higher level. I was not having success my first 5 or 6 months. So I hired a coach that helped me to set up systems and follow-up sequences so I would convert those leads at a much higher level. When I wanted to build a team, I did exactly the same thing. I hired multiple coaches to help me to build my team. Again, I think going back to what you asked before, it's all about having access to those mentors. But not every mentor is created equal. There are going to be some mentors that they act like they know, but in reality they don't. Unfortunately, there are a lot of mentors and coaches out there. They talk the talk, but they never really played the game, right? And it's so important for you to do your part in researching, due diligence, asking the right questions, and making sure you're bringing in the right type of people to be in your circle versus getting the wrong type of people and then going back 6 months or 7 months because of that mistake.